Hey guys, in this video we will see how to run Selenium and Appium tests of Python with TestProject. Simply to say, we will have one Python test and we will be running with TestProject Agent configuration. How this has to be done, we will see here. Get a developer token from TestProject for Python OpenSDK and then install pip install TestProject Python SDK through pip and configure your Chrome options with developer token. Project name and test name are optional. Make sure your TestProject agent is running and then run your Python test. We will see step by step this how to achieve. This is the TestProject page. I am on the integrations page where they have given the entire steps how to do this. Acquire your developer key first. Just copy this key and select your SDK. If you are on Java, you have to go through with the Maven, and then there is C# and there is Python. So this video is for Python. So just copy this pip install and go to your command prompt. I've already installed this installer, as you can see here. Pip install TestProject OpenSDK for Python, and it installed, and you can see here it is been installed already. So we have our developer token and we have already installed the Python SDK, and now we will see whether TestProject agent is running. Go to agents. It's already ready, and now we will see one sample test here. If you are using a normal Selenium test, you will be using this statement here. From Selenium, import WebDriver, and you will have some method, and you will initiate the driver, and you will use the other commands that will follow. But here you have to use this one. From SRC TestProject SDK drivers, I am trying to import my WebDriver. So I will not be using the normal WebDriver that is from the Selenium. I will be using the WebDriver that is coming from the TestProject installer that I have installed through pip. Here, just initiate the driver with Chrome, and this is your token here. This is my token that is displayed here in my TestProject agent. You can see here. Now this project name and job name are optional for you, and why this is being used I will show you, and I will tell you again later. Here what I am trying to do, I am simply going to driver.get, and this is the TestProject website that you can play around. So let's go to the TestProject. Here install the SDK for Python, and if you can see here, they are giving the SDK information here. Just click here, and there is a lot of information. This is the installer that we already did, and here this is the development. Here it is mentioned clearly. This is the normal Selenium WebDriver import. We have to replace this with the TestProject SDK driver. And if you take this site, In this script, what we are trying to do, just give any name, here John Smith, and password is 12345, and you're trying to log in. Log in and click, and then we are calling this script, this method from the main here. Here if you can see webdriver.chrome, your token goes here, and if you want to explicitly put your project and job names, you can put your project name and job name here. And there is a decorator, report decorator, you can use it. Instead of making it explicit here, you can put it here, my project and my job, any of your choice, and then you can run. So we will see how this will run. This is my Python script. Here WebDriver is initialized, imported, and here what I'm trying to do, my project name is Python OpenSDK, and my job name is, let's say, test4, and my token is this. I will go here in this site. I will provide the name as John Smith, username. I'm making a sleep 1 here so that you can see what is happening on the web page, and I'm providing password, and then I'm clicking here, and I made asset here. If there is a greetings by ID displayed, then it will pass, and then I'm calling this function here. So simply let me show you the TestProject agent, what we have there. If you go to the reports, I have already ran some tests before, so it will have some 3 tests ran for this Python OpenSDK project. You can see this is my project name here, Python OpenSDK, which is created with my previous runs. And if I open, there will be 3 tests because I ran 3 tests before to this script, so there is no test 4. So here I'm trying to make this run as test 4 with my token, and we will see how this will run. Just right click, run TestProject SDK. It opens the browser, it goes to the particular URL, it provides the username, it provided the password, you clicked on login. Okay, there is a result in the console. As you can see, the project name Python OpenSDK, job name test4, capabilities already provided here that are from the agent configuration, established successfully, session started, session ID, and then closed. So now what is happened in detail, let's go to test project. Just refresh this, or you can go to reports again. Now you see 4 executions are there. Before it was 3. Open it, go to test4, open this run. Now see, there is this is the function we have called simple test here, and these are the step-by-step details what has happened with the test. It is going through each and every step of the script and trying to execute. It called the URL, all the elements, and finally my asset is true. If you go to summary report, see, simple test, result is passed, no failure. Let's go to full summary report. This report provides the detailed view of each step with the script, and this is how you can run your Selenium and Appium test of Python with TestProject Agent. I hope this is clear. For any questions, you can reach me at my LinkedIn blogs or my channel that is mentioned in the description of this video. Thank you guys.